Now comes the tricky part, getting this piece off the rotor. What we're going to do is support it by wood in 3 different directions.
Hey James, what you doing, boy?
His name James.
Who that is?
My name is John.
Oh, James, tell me don't say that no more.
No sir.
Well, what you doing to it?
I'm fixing my truck.
Hey boy, I had to put a motor out today.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright. I'll take 2 blocks of wood. Put it on each side so we can properly support the rotor. And make sure the hub assembly is free to fall out. And you want to tap it right here in the middle, right here in the middle. And use a piece of wood here to help give it some cushion. I'll take a couple tries. As I say, Rome wasn't built in a day. Actually, use this piece of wood here. That's a bad thing I hate these for. All that rust. Got to get brute with it now. There we go. It's out. The rotor is now loose. This is the problem with the Fords. Rust so much right in here. Keeps you from getting your rotors off and from getting the tire off. Now that we got the old hub assembly out, you can see, look at the rust. Look at the rust. You see this assembly is in bad shape. You can hear it grind. See? The new one, no grind. My truck only has 92,000 miles on it, not even 100,000 miles. Great job, Ford. Built Ford tough, yeah, right. Right now I just want to place the rotor onto the new hub assembly. Alright. Now, again, you want to make sure all your 4 bolts are tight. I made sure mine was snug earlier. Place your rotor on. Now you want to put your brake assembly back in place. Because usually when this thing is not rusted, when you remove the brake assembly, this is already loose. Being that it was going there so long, it rusted onto the hub assembly. Now you want to take your brake assembly back down from where you had it hanging up. Take this assembly, put it back into place. top bolt. Kind of hold it in place. Alright, we got that one started. Now you want to place in your bottom bolt. Remember I told you there's 2 bolts on here. Alright. I got that one started. Tighten it down. At this point, I'm going to put my extension back on since it sticks out a little further. Get a little more leverage. Tighten it down. All I did there is push the rotor back into place. Top bolt. Lastly is the bottom bolt. Move it around a little bit. Bolt. So once you tighten your top bolt and your bottom bolt on your brake assembly, you put your tire back on, you're ready to roll. Have a good day.